Hi, welcome to UMass production of NRC 100. My name is Anna, and I'm an accounting major.
My name's Kayla, and I'm an NRC major.
My name is Abby. I'm an informatics major.
My name is Jasmine, and I'm an undecided major.
Our team volunteered at the UMass Renaissance Center Early Modern Kitchen Garden, part of the Kinney Center for Interdisciplinary Renaissance Studies. The center supports research for the early modern kitchen world and the Renaissance of the Earth. Program recreates garden use for over 400 years to teach people how to historically grow food, save seeds, and worked with the lands, blending environmental conservation, public education, and historical preservation. The garden protects heirlooms and crops and native plants early settlers relied on. By helping prepare for the winter, we support biodiversity, limit invasive growth, and preserve sustainable practices.
We humbly acknowledge that the University of Massachusetts Amherst stands on the unceded lands of the Pecumtuck Nation. We recognize the violent history of settler colonialism, forced removal, and genocide that took place here, and we honor the indigenous peoples who continue to care for and steward this land. Civic engagement means being involved in your community and doing your part to improve it. Environmental leadership is an example of this. Environmental leadership is important because people need to take responsibility for caring for our lands. It is crucial for maintaining sustainable practices and mitigating environmental damage.
While working in the garden, we dug up roots, cleared beds, and pruned back annuals, putting the garden to bed for the winter. We also planted 180 daffodil bulbs that will brighten the path to the center in the spring. Lastly, we got to tour the Kinney Center and see their printing press from hundreds of years ago that is still used today, and learned how it works. We looked through their library of hundreds of books from the 1400s through the 1700s and got to read some that pertained to our majors. It was fascinating to see and hold these works of art from so long ago and their different ways of writing back then. Another role of the Kinney Center is saving the seeds from their Renaissance garden. Seed saving helps preserve heirloom varieties that could otherwise disappear from agriculture. According to seed conservation groups, up to 75% of agricultural crop diversity has been lost globally since 1990, meaning today's seed-saving gardens protect genetic resilience. The social math comparison of losing 75% of crop diversity is like having 3 of every 4 books vanish forever. Every seed that we're able to save will help preserve part of ecological history.
Our group had a great time volunteering with Liz at the Kinney Center. We learned tons about how early modern gardens functioned and why they were an important part of life back then. It felt great to volunteer and make a difference in the UMass community. It is very rewarding knowing that we played a part in maintaining history. If everyone did a little bit of volunteering, the world would surely be a better place. We highly recommend visiting the Kinney Center and checking out their collection. It is fascinating, and they have books pertaining to every subject.